don't depend on rumors. Official date का wait करो and I will also update you. Scholarship does not come before paying the fee. You have to arrange the fees yourself. I will be very honest here. You depend only on the degree. After my last scholarship video, I received lot of questions from DSC students on my Instagram. Fees, scholarship, loan, placement and everything. And most important, admission and forms regarding questions. So in this video, I am not going to sugarcoat anything. I will say things exactly the way they are. So later you don't say काश पहले पता होता. What courses are available in DSU? First, let's quickly talk about courses. DSU offers BTech programs, UG degree and certificate programs across different campuses. For example, at DSC Dwarka campus, you can find BTech in Network Engineering, Security Integrated BTech plus MTech. UG programs like Banking and Financial Services, Data Analytics, Computer Applications, and more. Seats are limited. If you want campus-wise list of courses separately and number of seats, I will share the official link in my description box and my WhatsApp community. वहाँ से आप proper detail check कर सकते हो. When will the admission forms will come? This is very most asked question. Exact dates are only confirmed when the official notification is released. Generally, admissions open around April or mid, but please don't depend on rumors. Official date का wait करो and I will also update you. Is the DSC scholarship real or just for name? Straight answer, it is real, but it is not automatic. You need proper eligibility, proper documents, and you must follow the proper process. If your income proves attendance and forms are correct, then money does come. Sometime late, but it comes. This is also a very important question. What percentage is required for admission in DSU? Minimum जो eligibility criteria होता है वो आपके course पे depend करता है. Generally कहते हैं for most UG programs around 50% in class 12th is required. For BTech programs, eligibility entrance criteria may apply. But listen carefully. Minimum percentage को qualify करना अलग बात है और एक्चुअल सिलेक्शन होना अलग बात. बिकॉज सीट्स लिमिटेड होती है एंड जो कट ऑफ जाती है वो हर साल वेरी करती है. सो एम सेफ जोन में रहना नहीं है, सिर्फ 50% से भी ऊपर आपको सोचना है ताकि उससे ऊपर आए नंबर. When do we actually receive the scholarship? Beginning or end of the semester? Very important point. Scholarship does not come before paying the fee. Mostly it comes end of the semester or sometimes even the next academic year. So first you have to arrange the fees yourself. And yeah, fee high लग रही है. So what should middle class student do? I will be very honest here. You usually have three options: family support, education loan, free installment option if the college allow. Don't treat scholarship as a replacement for fees. Think of it as a support. Is taking an education loan safe or risky? Loan becomes risky when you don't build your skills. You depend only on the degree. But if you are learning your skills, doing internship and working on real projects, then loan becomes an investment, not a burden. If income certificates get delayed, will scholarship be rejected? Mostly answer is yes. Scholarship works depend on documents, not emotions. So keep ready income certificate, category certificate, करेक्ट बैंक डिटेल्स, सब टाइम पे रेडी होना चाहिए. हाउ इम्पोर्टेंट अटेंडेंस फॉर स्कॉलरशिप? अटेंडेंस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. इफ यू स्किप्स योर क्लास रेगुलरली देन एंड ओनली शो अप फॉर एग्जाम, देन स्कॉलरशिप चांसेस डिक्रीज. विल कॉलेज अलोन गारंटी प्लेसमेंट? हार्ड ट्रूथ, कॉलेज अलोन डज नॉट गारंटी प्लेसमेंट. कॉलेज plus skills create opportunity. Student who work on coding, communication and building projects, designing, वो ऑफ कैंपस भी क्रैक कर लेते हैं. डिप्लोमा वर्सेस डिग्री, विच इज बेटर? देयर इज नो बेटर कोर्स, देयर इज अ बेटर स्टूडेंट. डिप्लोमा प्लस स्किल्स जॉब, डिग्री प्लस स्किल्स जॉब, नो स्किल्स स्ट्रगल ही स्ट्रगल. व्हाट इज द बिगेस्ट मिस्टेक DSU स्टूडेंट मेक? बिगेस्ट मिस्टेक, कॉलेज सब कुछ करवा देगा. नो, कॉलेज गिव यू अ प्लेटफॉर्म, रन करना आपको पड़ता है. DSUs neither heaven nor hell. If you understand scholarship system, plan your fees smartly and focus on building skills. Growth is absolutely possible. If you are a DSU student or planning to take admission, drop your questions in the comment section. Part 2 Q&A definitely आएगा. And if this video helped you, please share it with your friends and classmates. Thank you.